Hey Shonti, sorry this is late. I just want to give you a quick how-to on what this worksheet was all about. When they say apply exponent rules directly, the exponent rules are talking about are our rules like if I have two things, same base, different exponents, I can add their exponents. If I have division, I can subtract exponents. Those are the exponent rules directly. So what they mean is for like this first question to break this into basically three different parts. And for each of these parts, obviously this we can just simplify normally, but for the other two parts, we would use the rule that says if we're dividing two things with the same base, we can subtract their exponents. This would be 3 minus the -1. Same thing with the b, it'd be a -2 minus the 5. And we'd have a 2 out in front. So this would end up being 2a to the 4th, right? Because 3 minus the -1, b to the -7. So that would be your final solution. If we want to be really good about this, we would take that b to the 7th and move it to the bottom since it's negative. Now, this gets a lot of students in trouble because they make silly mistakes with their addition and subtraction with negative numbers. So a way to avoid that is to do this other method, which is to move everything that's negative ahead of time. So everything that has a positive exponent will stay put, but we're going to take this b to the -2 and move it to the bottom where it can become a +2. We'll take this a to the -1 to the top where it can become a +1. And then we can actually do our exponent rules. And in this case, we'd be doing addition of exponents because we're multiplying these two things, leaving us with 2a to the 4th. We would add the 3 and the 1, and b to the 7th. So that's the idea, is just to see this two different ways. One way involves us doing a little bit trickier integer math. One way adds a step. So that's pretty much it. So the next one, two options, right? We have a bunch of things multiplied, so we would just add all of those exponents, or we could, and I'm not going to finish that one, you can finish it, we can go ahead and move anything with a negative exponent down as a denominator, leaving the things that have positive exponents in the numerator. So that's all they wanted you to do with that worksheet.